Sorry, let me go back. So example 2. This is kind of a really wordy question, and it might just take you rereading it a couple times to get it. But the box contains 50 bats and weighs W ounces. One baseball weighs 5.25 ounces. The box contains 50 bats and weighs W ounces. One baseball itself weighs 5.25 ounces. So a lot of information there. Let's figure out what they want us to do with that. Here's some more information. A baseball weighs 25.75 ounces less than a bat. Okay, write an equation that represents the relationship between the weights of a baseball and bats in terms of the weight of the box W. So again, write an equation that represents the relationship between the weights of the baseball and the bat in terms of W. So what do we know? What we know is we've got 50 bats. If I'm going to create my own variable, I'm going to put B equals bats. We've got 50 bats in a box, and when we add all those up, that box weighs W. Okay, so I'm not needing to label that W because they kind of labeled the W for us. Weighs W ounces. So what we know as well is we have a baseball bat, B. The baseball bat, or a baseball weighs, so we also have a baseball, which a baseball is 5.25, right? So I'm going to put the word baseball there just so we kind of see it, but a baseball weighs equals 25.75 ounces less than a bat. So I've got a bat, and I'm going to subtract the 25.75. And that should be the weight of the baseball, right? If the bat was pretty much 5.25 pounds more than this expression right here. All right, so what we can do is we can add 25.75 to each side, and we can get that this bat equals, adding those up, 31, right? So then we can figure out, we can take that 31 and plug it in, that the weight W is 50 times 31. So now we have an expression in the relationship of our bats. And then we used it also, we did use that by finding out and using the information we had about the baseball.